5 steps you can start today to exit the rat race and live the life of your dreams. Here's the deal. We can talk and talk and talk about being self-sufficient and being self-reliant, but how can a normal person like you do it? You don't like and you're tired of going to a job you need so you can buy the clothes that you need for the job you need so you can pay for the car that you're driving to get to the job you need so you can pay for the place that you live in, and you're never even home because you're always at your job, making money to pay for the clothes and the car and the house. What? So how can you do it? How can you, a normal person, exit the rat race and live the life of your dreams? Now, you're ready to get serious about living your self-sufficient dream life. So where do you start? This is what it's really about. How can you, a normal person, live the life of a not so normal person? How can you live a not normal life in a world that's full of normal people? Let's chat about 5 more steps that you can start today to live the life you want to live, the life of your dreams. Step number 5, live like you have no idea where your next paycheck's coming from. This isn't too much of a stretch because, hey, you're probably already living paycheck to paycheck anyway. So cut back on your spending. Cut it way back. Not normal people tend to not do normal things. Makes sense, right? No more going out to restaurants. Get rid of or downsize the TV. Absolute minimum cable. Minimum insurance. Say goodbye to all your monthly recurring bills. Step number 4, become a producer and less of a consumer. Consuming stuff is what we're giving up back there in step 5. While becoming less of a consumer, become more of a producer. Our great-grandparents and our grandparents, hey, they did it. It wasn't that long ago, all of our relatives were doing it. Producing rather than consuming. Hey, it's okay to start simple. I'm certainly not suggesting that you have to make your clothes from scratch or wash them by hand on a rock in the river. But maybe, just maybe, you can learn to mend and patch your clothes, or maybe cook meals from basic ingredients. Step number 3, embrace what you're good at. We all have strengths and we all have a couple of weaknesses. Living your dreams is about doing what makes you happy. Most likely, doing things that you're good at are what makes you happy. Develop and improve on what you're already good at doing. And at the same time, it's a good idea to pick up a few new skills that complement what you're already naturally good at. I got to keep looking to make sure I'm holding up the right ones. Step 2, face your fears head on. Making changes, big changes, is scary. Anyone that says it's not is fibbing. Maybe quitting your job? Scary. Maybe moving from one state to another state? Scary. You're already living paycheck to paycheck, step 5. But the thing is, we quickly discover most of what we're working for are the things we need to live in that life. The merry-go-round circle of the normal world. The job, the clothes, the car, the rat race. And step number 1, the most important step of all, break the rules. As you begin your journey from a normal, society-dependent life to a not normal, self-sufficient, your dream life, change the way you think. Change the rules. Break the rules. As Steve Jobs once said, everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. And you can change it. And as you start your journey from life in the normal world to your dream life, life in the not so normal world, remember, family and friends will probably try to talk you out of doing it. You can be a normal person, exit the rat race, and live the life of your dreams. Life's a journey and not a destination. Buckle up, keep your hands and feet inside the car at all times, and enjoy the ride. If you have a friend that's interested in living self-sufficient in the country on a homestead, please share this video with them. Even if their dream life is living in New York City, go ahead and share it. And if you have any questions, ask. We truly want you to succeed. We want you to pursue your self-sufficient life dreams, living happy, living fun-loving, and living carefree. Live life doing it yourself.